Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Logan County, northeastern Sangamon County, western DeWitt County, northern Macon County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dawson, or 12 miles northeast of Springfield, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mount Pulaski and Cornland around 3:30 p.m. Chestnut around 3:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Kenny, Beeson, Clinton, and Wapella. This includes the following highways: Interstate 55 mile marker 103 and near mile marker 140. Interstate 72 between mile markers 108 and 116. At 3 p.m. it's